The Additive Explorer is a space in InnoVint where you can manage and track your additive inventory. Here you get the basics: a list of your additives, how much you have on hand, and any tags that you've applied. And for each additive, InnoVint keeps track of addition rates, your saved instructions, and multiple batches. We also keep a detailed additive history, so you can view actions, what lot, when, and how much was used, all in one place. Speaking of when, InnoVint depletes from your inventory in real time as work orders are submitted, so you'll always know how much you have on hand and when it's time to reorder. And when that happens, you can easily add new batches to your inventory. Now let's talk a little about addition rates. Using the rate that you provide, InnoVint can calculate the amount of each additive based on the volume or weight in each vessel. I'll show you how that works. Here I'm adding GoFirm at a rate of 30 grams per hectoliter. InnoVint provides the calculated amount based on the expected yield, here 150 gallons per ton, and instead of using this calculated value, I'm actually choosing to round this number. And now that I have my GoFirm, I'm probably going to need some yeast along with it. I can choose to add additional additives, and I'm also going to change my mind about this addition rate. So while we're at it, let's go ahead and inoculate another lot. I just need to choose a new lot for my list. And cab looks like a good candidate. Choose my vessels. And then I'm going to use a calculated amount provided by InnoVint. We're going to name this work order inoculation and then assign it to seller staff. Perfect. Now when your seller crew gets the work order on their device, they'll have the option to choose which batch to pull from if you have multiple batches, which I do. And I can already see here that I won't have enough of the first batch to make the full addition, so I'm going to have to split it between two different batches and then adjust how much of each that I use. I'm going to click on Fully Depleted, and by depleting the batch we make sure that it won't show up in the drop-down next time I use this particular additive. And since my imaginary seller scale doesn't measure to the 100th of a gram, I can adjust the values for the amount of each additive to reflect how much I'm actually using. And there you go. Multi-lot, multi-additive, multi-batch additions, all in one easy action.